Hey, what's up?
Well, go on.
Welcome to the house.
I want to see everything.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm going to give you a house review. This is going to be our house for the next full week. So guys, let's go. As you can see, first of all here, this is the kitchen. We have a kitchen. So this is where we're going to do the cooking. Do you know how to cook?
Yes.
Here we have the kitchen. I have a washing machine, so probably afterwards will be dirty. Obviously, we have to cook food. We need to go do shopping in the next few minutes. We need to go do shopping. Fit in this fridge. So my favorite part of this house is this
sitting apartment.
This is like
the kitchen, like the dining.
Yeah, this kitchen dining. Look at how it looks like, man. It looks on its own. So you can have a seat there. I can have a seat there. Another person. This Alex can sit there. You know. This is my favorite part of the place.
Show us another place.
Yeah, let's go. Now this is the dining. I like this format. Look at it. Now the top GCC. Andrew Tate. So it's probably on the cool day. I get to have my laptop just here, you know, trading, and I already have this full flight coming through. So this is my dining for the next full week, as you can see. Then we come to the sitting area. This is so this is so posh, as you can see. This just gives you the feel of luxury. How do you pronounce that word? Luxury. But I didn't do the YouTube channel. That's the TV. Now let's check out these rooms.
Oh, motherfucker.
And also the fuck is that, you know, this is I think this is
Americana.
Wow, this is like so fit for me, you know?
Here you look like a jerrycan now. You're too short, man.
So, welcome to the bedroom. This is the bedroom, as you can see. You know, imagine looking up to this nice view. Every single day, guys, you need to trade Forex. You need to trade Forex.
Show them the other place.
Let us turn on the lights.
It's not turning on. I don't know. We forgot where the switches are.
This guys haven't done the generator, but I guess it's much more looking up to this. Guys, look. I'm just next to water, right there. I'm just next to water. You can even. You hear the sound? Do you hear the sound? Guys, if you trade Forex, this is what you're going to be having. As you can see, this is we have a bottle right here. Nice and easy. Look at this. Yeah, this is all ours for the next full fucking week. Okay, so guys, this is a two bedroom luxurious house. I'll show you the next bedroom. I'll show you my G's bedroom. Say hi to Miss Alex. Miss Alex, say hi. Hi. So, this is the other bedroom. So guys, this is the other bedroom, as you can see. This is the other bedroom. So, you know, all these bedrooms just look the same, as you can see, guys. See? You have a big bed. I think it's 6x6. I don't know. I'm
5x6.
My G is 6'6". So guys, this is the house, as you can see. So let's go check out the balcony. Yeah? The balcony.
Let's go.
Miss Alex, say hi again. Guys, this is the balcony. Now this is the most fun part of the house. So check it. Imagine making losses and waking up to this therapy, you know? Just last week I lost 6K. But again, imagine waking up to this. I won't even regret that I've lost 6K again. But again, look at this, guys. So you all have this. Look at this. This looks so nice. Having water, you know, dropping just like that. Away from all that noise in town. Oh.
Here you take some good fresh air.
We even have like chairs that we shall put out.
But it was raining, so
Yeah. We even have chairs that we put out here and sit, you know, see the sunset. Actually, when the time we arrived here, the sunset was out and it looked very nice. So
I think it's still showing a bit there.
Yeah. So you can see. I don't know how big is this thing. I think it's all situated on 1 acre and some decimals. But again, yeah, this is going to be our house with my G. Let me show you my G. My G. This is going to be our house for the next.
Of trading Forex.
Yes, sir.
We are too young.
We're
to enjoy this.
We want everyone to enjoy this.
But instead of partying at Exo, casks and all those nonsense, we are busy making money.
Yeah.
You get a small trip. It is called a therapy trip.
A therapy.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
After fighting with the market,
You need to
come
enjoy
and
this.
relax and breathe. Isn't it? You
Yes,
breathe.
sir. As you can see, guys, this is the road that goes down to the lake.
We are very young to be having this life. We are too young.
But again, guys, you have come to work, not just to show.
Not to chill. So make sure you subscribe, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Hit the like button. This is our first ever. Our first ever. So don't worry. The next ones you will be shocked.
You'll be. So guys, we're headed out to shop, you know, for some good food. Because you can't live in this house and then eat bad food. Peace.